Hey, hello everyone, Bruno here, and today we are going to talk about GitHub Copilot. It's a great help for me. Literally 90% of the code right now that I'm doing is probably doing some agent mode and more. But in the last couple of months, we have a lot of announcements here. One that I really like is this Vision public preview. Because what we can do today is when we work with models that support vision, that one of the GPT's model or cloud or more, we can use these vision capabilities to basically ask the model, analyze this image and make me something similar or more. I've seen some crazy use here. So the whole idea of today, I want to give it a try and see if I can change my not crappy, but the very standard and cute and cozy view that we have here in the eShop Lite memory, whatever. By the way, this is all open source where you can find this super cool MCP client and server. I'm going to talk about this later more, but we have a list of products here. This is camping products, very standard. This is a full Aspire product where we have where is my store? This is my store that is calling two backends that may call a product backend with a database or may call a couple of agents, platform, whether, okay, we don't care about that. The whole idea is I have this view, and what I want to do is, because I am going to keep this very formal, I want to have a view similar to this one, to the one that we have in the Microsoft Store. So in order to do this, what I am going to do also is I have the app up and running here in Visual Studio 2022. Let me go to my front. There is my front here. Not Aspire, I want the front in the component, pages, products. So this is the front that we have, very standard view. And what I am going to do is I am going to use Copilot here in Visual Studio Code, so I can do kind of a nice code reload. And I am going to share this view as a standard. So let me do this. Let's do a screenshot here. So let's capture an area. Yes. Let's do this. One row, I think it's fine. Then let's save this. Here is in my background. I open the file here. There it is. Let's do and save as. So I save this, and now we are going to go back here, and I am going to add context. I am going to probably include the file. The file is not here, so I need to do a couple of cleaning here. Let me copy the file to be part of the projects. Don't do this at home. I created a temp folder. I copy the file. So what I can do here is go to the temp folder and add the file here. By the way, if I want to open the file, this is the file, the one that I just did. And I am going to ask now, Copilot something like, so the prompt is update the product list in the product razor file, use the styling attached image. The page is in a Blazor, it's a razor file, keep the code clean and everything in the sample page. So it's applying the text. Let's go keep. We have everything already here. Let's say we have some styles. And this is the page. I am going to go here. I'm going to do a hot reload. And if I go back here and change again, okay, hey, this is nice. This is have literally the style that we are working. So this is kind of working. This is kind of nice. And in the original page, here on top, we have these sections and more. So let's ask also Copilot here to, let me see the image. Yes. It's making some suggestions, so let's give it a try. Install extension, continue, yes. Supplying the deeds. We have the station. Some of them are working, the other no. So let's do a keep. There it is. Give it a try one more time. code reload. Let's go to the list here. We don't have the icon, so hey, almost there. We have 50% of the work done, but hey, I like it. It's kind of nice. We have almost everything up and running based on the maze, and yes, it's not literally the same, but still we have the image on top and the styles, and very, very, very similar. So this is vision capabilities. We can do more. We can use agent. We can edit. By the way, the human in the loop, it's super important here. With the right prompts, we can do magic. So you know the deal. Please subscribe, give some likes, comments, and more. And I hope you like it, because this is literally how I started to do most of my work these days. See you next one. Goodbye.